In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a folder for new attachments in Obsidian. If you've ever pasted an image into a note and wondered where it went, this setting is the key. Obsidian lets you choose exactly where new attachments, things like images, PDFs, audio clips, and screenshots, are saved. Setting this up once will keep your vault tidy and make files easier to find later. Start by opening Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want this setting to apply. Then open Settings using the gear icon at the bottom of the app. In the sidebar, select Files and Links. This section controls how Obsidian handles file storage and link behavior. Look for the option labeled Default Location for New Attachments. This determines where Obsidian will place any new attachment you add by pasting, dragging and dropping, or inserting from your clipboard. You'll see several choices. Choosing Vault Folder tells Obsidian to put every new attachment at the top level of your vault. This can be fine for very small vaults, but in larger setups it can create clutter, so use it if you prefer everything centralized and don't mind organizing later. In the folder specified below lets you point all new attachments to a dedicated folder you choose. You'll see a field right below where you can pick or type a folder path. Many people use something like attachments or assets. This is great if you want one clean central place for all media regardless of which note you're working in. Keep the folder name simple and consistent so it's easy to search and back up. Same folder as current file saves attachments right alongside the note you're editing. This keeps related files together, which is perfect for project-based or topic-specific folders. When you return to a note, everything you need is in the same place. In Subfolder under Current Folder creates or uses a subfolder inside the note's parent folder. You'll usually specify a subfolder name, like Assets or Images, and Obsidian will nest attachments there. This gives you per project organization without mixing media directly with your notes. Pick the option that matches your workflow. You can change this later, and Obsidian will apply your choice to new attachments going forward. Existing files won't move automatically, so they'll stay where they are until you decide to reorganize them. That's it. With your default attachment location set, your vault stays tidy, your media is predictable, and your notes are easier to manage as they grow.